right now I am going to give you the tour of our new apartment that you can see behind us. This is the building, and our the apartment for us is at the top floor. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Ram's Life channel guys. And today it's the 22 April 2020 and it's Wednesday today, and I am in my Wednesday t-shirt. As you know, always I wear this t-shirt on Wednesday, and I completed 1 year over here in the Regina, Saskatchewan, Canada guys. So I'm really very excited guys today, and actually I bought the new apartment today. So this is the new apartment I am standing right now, and as you can see the cleanness and the weather over here is really good, and I'm going to give you the complete tour of this apartment, and I'm going to give you the facilities that available over here in this apartment. And I'm really excited guys, because I completed 1 year in the Canada, and I'm going to obviously I'm going to give you more information about the University of Regina, my experience in the University of Regina, as well as my experience in the Regina city. So I will upload a couple of videos on that as soon as possible guys. But today's video is all about this apartment, and I'm going to give you the tips how to rent the apartment over here in the Regina also. And even you are in the back home in India or whatever country you are from, you can always book the apartment directly from your home country also. So I'm going to give you the tips regarding that also. It's not applicable only for the Regina or Saskatchewan, but it is applicable for the whole Canada. So if you are not coming to Saskatchewan also, do consider do consider watching this video guys, because it is going to be helpful for you for sure. So without any further ado guys, let's get started, and let me give you the tour of this really awesome apartment. It is a 1 BHK apartment guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, right now we are over here at our new apartment, and you can see the weather is really good, and the spring summer season is about to start, or we can say it's already started. And the temperature right now over here in the Regina is 17 degrees centigrade, which is really awesome for the Regina, because it's used to be really cold over here. So today we are enjoying, and right now I am going to give you the tour of our new apartment that you can see behind us. This is the building, and our the apartment for us is at the top floor, that is on the third floor we can say, or I don't know, because the bottom floor is not, we cannot consider it as a basement. It's not completely in the basement, so we can say that our apartment is on the top floor. So let's see and check out how is it, and I will give you some ideas that how you can book this kind of apartment. So without any further ado, let's go inside. And this is our mailbox of 11 number. Our apartment number is 11, so this is our mailbox, and key for the mailbox is over here. So we will get our mails in this 11 number mailbox. So let's go top. The good thing is so quiet here guys, and there are so many doors, so there's one more door to enter. One more exciting thing guys that I am really interested to show you, that this is having the automatic lock, that is the code lock. So we have a code, we set the code already, and we can just open it by pressing the code. So these things guys, it is really good over here, and I really love this code lock, because we don't have to worry about the keys, just need to remember the code, and it's really advanced, and I really like this one. So guys, as we entered in the house, it's a 1 BHK apartment. Unlike my previous apartment, that's a 2 BHK apartment. This one is a 1 BHK apartment. So this is the bedroom actually. So as you can see guys, it's really good. And one more thing that I'm going to tell you for this apartment is that it is having the carpet actually. As you have seen in my previous video, in the previous apartment they don't have the carpet. So carpet, sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's not good. It is having its own pros and cons, but yeah, as I am enjoying right now, the carpet is really good for me for now at least. It is really soft and we can also sleep on this and relax. So it is having some advantages. And one more thing is that the view from here is really good guys, and we can open the window and just take a fresh air breathe. And it's summer and springtime, so it is really good. As you can see, outside view is really good. We are on the top floor, so it's really relaxing, so quiet and so much things. We have a nice views. There are the trees, and soon in the summer the trees will be green and we can see the greenery views over here, and we can enjoy and relax after doing our university work or after doing our job. This is a really good place to relax for the students like me. And yeah, we have some space over here to store or put the clothes and extra luggages. And we have one more special thing, I will talk about that later, but this is the space for the particular this room. As you can see, the space is really spacious and good enough for the single person to stay in the room. So now let's move to the main hall. So I'll show you the other things later. Let's first move to the main hall. So guys, this is the really big main hall for us, and really spacious. 2 windows are there. It's a really cool. Sunshine can come easily, and so good place. Quiet, we can enjoy over here, and yeah, it's really good. The carpet is there, so spacious. We can arrange the tables over here, we can set tables over there, chairs we can put, and sofa, or we can arrange the TV also. It's really good. So we are going to do that, and I will show you after few days or after few weeks when we arrange everything. I will definitely cover this video again, and I will show you how it looks like after that. And yes guys, the view from the main hall is also good. You can see the wind is coming here, and I can breathe fresh air from here. Maybe we can get relaxed. I can have a cup of coffee and then I can just chill out over here. So it is really good. The wind is coming and it's nice. Unlike I have stayed, if you guys are following me continuously, then you might be knowing that I have stayed in the basement apartment and then the 2 BHK apartment. But this is a really cool place. This is a really awesome place to stay guys. So the suggestion is that if you are coming over here, and then if you have a chance, then try to take a top floor apartment. It will be really spacious and it will give you the really nice look guys. So now let's move to the kitchen area. I will show you the kitchen area. It is having also a lot of space. So this is the kitchen guys, and it is also really spacious, and so many cupboards are there, and so we can keep the stuffs inside. We don't have to put anything outside, so it is really good. And we are having a really good space over here guys. And this is our gas stove, so it's also good enough for the cooking, and it's really clean now. They have just cleaned the house also. And yeah, this is the oven. If you want to use, yeah, you can use this. So yeah, one more thing that I really like in this kitchen is that the space over here, it is having a really big space, and this window actually we can have a really good sunshine from outside. So in the daytime also we can enjoy cooking, and natural light is always good to keep your mood fresh. So that's awesome. So this is the really good thing, and I like the space over here. And this is the main thing. The space in the kitchen is really needed. And the fridge is like this. It's empty now. We just came today over here, and it's really spacious, and yeah, it's nice. So color of the fridge is also really nice. So it's actually the good deal, guys. And now the final part is that I'm going to show you the washroom. But before that, over here also we have a little bit space, so if you want to put some like winter jackets or something, or you can also put your shoes over here, and it's really big space. I can go inside actually, and you can have some of your extra luggages you can set over here, and this is for the jacket and everything. So it's really cool and nice. Yeah, you can put your shoes over here, and yeah, you can arrange your stuffs very nicely. And yeah, this is actually the door for the washroom. So let me give you the view of the washroom. So this is actually the washroom. It's not so big, but it's good enough, very well organized, I can say. So this is the hall area, and this is the bathtub. This is for the washing, and mirror is over there. As I said, it's not so big, but it's really well organized. And in any of the apartment, you won't find the shower curtain over here, so you have to purchase for your own. And one more interesting and good thing is that the ventilation over here, it is really needed, because in some of the apartments you won't find the ventilation. So it is really good if you have the ventilation in the washroom, especially in the Canada. You need it because the houses are designed in that way that you need a ventilation. So that's really good, guys. Okay, let me switch off. And one more thing that I want to show you guys is that with this apartment we got one extra space, that is a storeroom. So that is a really cool thing that I'm really excited about that. And let me show you that thing that is actually beside this apartment. So every apartment have their own storage room space over here. So let's go there and check it out. I think this is the key for, not this one, I think this one. Okay. So yeah, this is actually really big. Let me find the, yeah, this is actually really big, guys. And as you can see the space over there, I think you can put all of your luggage over here, and it's seriously awesome. I think its internet server is over here, they installed over here, but this is a really big space to put your all the stuffs. And yeah, every apartment is having own storage space over here beside their apartment. So this is a really cool thing that we found out. So yeah, it's a really best deal, guys, I can say. And as you can see, it's a really spacious. Light is over here, and you can also do some stuffs if you want to take out in the night or night time also. It's really good, guys. One more thing I want to add, that we are having both sides the stairs is available for exit side also. Means if you want to throw your garbage or something, the arrangement is on the back side of the apartment, and on the front side also. So yeah, the parking space is in the back side mostly, but for this apartment it is in the front side. So we are going to park our car. We don't have a car yet, but in future we will gonna buy for sure. So we are gonna park it in the front side. So I think that's all for today in this video, guys, and I hope I covered everything. If you want any more information, then please let me know by commenting in the below. But one more thing that I want to add, guys, that the tips for booking the apartment from back home country. So how we book this apartment, guys, we book this apartment by contacting to the main street office. So even if you are in your back home country, you can directly contact them through the website. Just search on the internet that Main Street Regina, or any places you can find out this kind of offices, maybe other provinces also. So just go on the website of their offices, email them that we are looking for the apartment. They will share you the pictures of the apartment, and you can search by yourself that which area is really good to stay. For Regina, I have already told about the areas to stay for the Indian people, so you can search, look for that videos. I will update the link in the description box below, and you can also contact them through the email. I will update the link of the Main Street apartment in the description box below, guys. You can directly contact them. They will show you the pics, and if even you are having some friends, you can tell them to visit the apartment and check one time, and you can directly book from the back home. Then it's really good, guys. So that's how we also book this apartment. And that's it for today in this video, guys. In the next video I will give you more details about how to rent the apartment in the Canada, and more information about my experience for completing the 1 year in Regina and completing the 1 year in the University of Regina. So stay tuned for that, guys. So that's it for today in this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care, my friends, and bye bye.